Now let's look at if you are fully invested and you want to free up some cash, how MarketXLS can help you free up some cash. So this user has a tab here called puts to buyback cash if I need, puts to buyback if I need cash. Let's click on there. Here in this particular tab, what she has is all her options, and she has added a couple of extra columns. One is amount of dollars freed per contract, which is essentially the strike price times 100. So this is how much money you have to free up for each contract you buy back. And what is the cost of the to buy back is the current bid price. And then what she has done is calculated here, cost to free up $1. That is our index. So let's look at the formula. It says bid divided by strike. That gives you what is the cost to free up $1. You can look at it in a different manner by saying that cost to free up is the bid times 100. That is what it costs to buy back the particular option divided by amount you free up, which is this column H. And that is really the same thing. So that is how you come up with the cost to free up $1. Then in this column, she sorts it by cost to free up $1. And so now the one on the top are the cheapest to buy back. So let's say she needed $10,000. She's looking at this column, and let's say she picks this one, Qualcomm. So in Qualcomm, she can buy back Qualcomm. She happens to have one position open, and the amount she will free up, it will cost her 1 cent per dollar to free up. So if she had an opportunity for $10,000 to make a down payment on something, she would simply come, close this particular position, and free up the margin. That is how you use MarketXLS to help you decide from your positions which one is the best put to buy back or call to buy back when you are trying to release some margin. Thank you.